Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer with Pfeiffer Hobby Supply. Today we're going to do the ACT3 Update 67. Once again, I don't want to harp on it, but we've been pretty busy, so I haven't had time to get out here and do a whole lot of stuff. But I will show you what I have done. And hopefully it entertains you on another coronavirus day. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to start here by just panning around a little bit and see if you guys can guess what I'm doing. What could it be? Yep, that's right. I'm adding trees and bushes. Let me get back up here. You can see right in here that I've added some grass tufts, and I've added that tree. I've added a tree over the picnic tables back there and some more brush tufts going up the side of the hill. We don't need to sit here and look at all of them. I cleaned the tracks going back to the caboose track and the maintenance away track. I've fixed and lubricated all the switches that you see in this picture right here, all the way back, cleaned all that track. I have cleaned track all the way through the branch line, all the way down to the other end. Let me take you over here by the loop. Sorry about my voice, guys. Okay, I think you can see here that I added a tree and a little row of flowers along the edge of the driveway at the depot here. I thought that looked pretty good. I have added another tree here on this barren hillside along with some bushes there. Bushes on top of the hill right here. You know, one thing that I keep ignoring or keep forgetting about is where I had to cut this hill back. It was rubbing the side of my passenger cars and stuff, so I had to cut that back, and I need to fix that. Would you guys remind me? There goes my UPS man, honking his horn. He's a fan of that horn. Anyway, just a few more bushes up through here along the edge, and really that's about it. I want to take you back over here and we're going to rehash something we've already talked about. Okay, one other thing that I wanted to discuss with you guys is, as you can see, I got the striping on the road. I'm not a stickler for DOT regulations, but I like it. I only put white on the edge of the road up to the sawmill. Let me go down this way and show you the rest of it. Okay, so here we are back. Now you can see the road comes on down here. I got some spots where I have plaster on it. Got to fix. And I haven't put any repair spots or anything in it, but there's detailing to be done yet. But you can see that it now goes all the way down and goes into town with the markings on it. So I'm not sure what'll be next. Maybe mounting these houses, doing something with the road in here in the very back, getting these trailers in place. Something of that nature. Not really positive though. Okay, you probably can see right there that I have a label maker. And you remember that I had painted these boxes and I had these boxes done. And I have now put the clips on each end. I had it all set to go. Made a couple labels, stuck the first two labels on, and god dang it if the paint didn't pull right off the fronts of these boxes. Because, like a dumb head, I didn't sand them off. You like that dumb head? I was going to say something else, but this is not for children. Anyway, like a dope, I didn't sand it, so I had to sand all the paint off the front and sand the front, and then repaint the front and put the clips all back on all of these. This one. The clips work good, by the way. This one down here and the one over here. But they're all sanded, they're all repainted, and all ready to go. Now, I just got done telling you I cleaned track. I cleaned it all the way back, all the way under the bridges over there, all the way around, back up to the front of the steam locomotive, which is actually sitting on the ready track to come down into town. I cleaned, if I quit jerking you around so hard here, I cleaned the track going back to the back side of T. Leary. I cleaned the tracks through here, cleaned the sidings. I cleaned everything. The only thing I haven't cleaned is all the yard tracks and made sure all the yard track switches work. But I went through all of these switches, lubricated with graphite, all of these switches. They all seem to function. Also cleaned the track at the ice dock. So basically all the sidings and everything are done all the way down to the end. And like I say, I haven't gotten around to working on all the switches in the yard. I did do some of the switches at the far end down there, but not all of them. By the way, here's another tree. Put that tree in on the end right there of the sawmill, and it overhangs the highway there. I thought that was kind of cool. Other than that, gang, man, I'm sorry. Other than that, gang, that's about it. I'm gonna go out and see if I can get Robin and have her show you what she's been doing on her sewing box and what her plan is. Okay, I came out here in the backyard to get Robin. She's working on her garden over there. And we're going to get her to come in and explain what she's doing with her sewing box. So let's go into the garage. Hey, Emma. Everybody wanted to know how you were doing. Are you doing okay? Huh? Are you doing okay? Okay, here's Robin, and you know who that other one is. That's the famous dog that won't sit still. I can get a picture of her, so you have to hold her. But anyway, what do you got planned there?
Okay, so I just finished after months and months of stripping all the paint, the layers and layers of paint, sanding down to the bare wood. Now I just need to do some cleanup and some real fine sanding, and then I'm going to paint the box inside and out. The door for it is right here. I had to take it off because I had to clean the hinges, but the door goes, the door goes up this way.
Yeah, you guys can see where the hinges are.
And then the lid comes down on the top of the door, and that's what holds it together.
And then the plan is...
But this is a vintage sewing box in case anybody has never seen one, which I never have either. But my plan is to turn it into a miniature sewing room. Since I do dollhouse miniatures and you've all seen my dollhouses, I thought this would be kind of a neat room box dollhouse type project.
Yeah, it's going to be kind of neat.
Yeah, so next thing I need to do is the fine sanding, then paint, and figure out what I want to do for the flooring. I want to do some wallpaper on the walls, and I've got a whole collection of dollhouse miniatures that are, or sewing room miniatures that are going to go into this.
Oh, that sounds good. Do you have any ideas on colors yet?
The outside I have selected, it's the paint is from General Finishes, and it's milk paint, and the color that I want to use is called Persian Blue on the whole outside. The inside's going to be an antique white. Pretty simple.
Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoys Robin's description of what she's got going on there, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. Bye, Emma.
Bye.
Hey, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video today and the explanation of what Robin has got going on with her sewing box there, and the little bit of stuff that I've done out here. And as I say, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Wow, look at that. I got a bunch of super glue on the end of my finger. That's what I was trying to show you guys.